To effectively use Bill4Time expense entry, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Expenses tab. Here you will find a comprehensive list of all your expenses, allowing you to easily track and manage them. First, click on the New Expense button to create a new expense entry. You will be prompted to fill in several fields, including the date, description, and amount of the expense. Be sure to include as much detail as possible in the description field, as this will help you to easily identify the expense later. Next, select the category for the expense from the drop-down menu. This will help you to organize your expenses and ensure that they are properly accounted for. You can also add a receipt or other supporting documentation to the expense entry by clicking on the Add Attachment button. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click the Save button to save the expense entry. You can then view the expense in the list of all expenses, where you can edit or delete it as needed. It is also important to regularly review and approve your expenses to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. This can be done by clicking on the Approve button next to each expense, or by using the bulk approval feature to approve multiple expenses at once. Best practices for using Bill4Time expense entry include regularly reviewing and approving expenses, using the category feature to organize expenses, and attaching receipts and other supporting documentation to expense entries. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your expenses are accurately tracked and managed, and that you are able to easily generate reports and invoices as needed. In addition to these features, Bill4Time also allows you to set up expense rules and policies, which can help to automate the expense approval process and ensure that expenses are properly accounted for. You can also use the reporting feature to generate detailed reports on your expenses, which can help you to identify areas for cost savings and improvement. Overall, Bill4Time expense entry is a powerful tool that can help you to effectively track and manage your expenses. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and by using the features and best practices described, you can ensure that your expenses are accurately tracked and managed, and that you are able to easily generate reports and invoices as needed.